one of my favorite. क्या हो रहा है आज? Please do not use this product. It's so good. This is so good. This is so good, you guys. The truth is that Hello, I hope you all are having a lovely day. It is so good to see you all back. But if you're someone new, then hi, I'm Sagrika Yadav and I make videos on beauty, lifestyle and vlogs. And if you don't want to miss out on my videos, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. That is very important so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notification first and you don't miss out on them. And today we have gathered on a very special occasion, which is Naika's birthday. So it's Naika's birthday this month. Happy birthday, Naika. By the way, Naika, you and I share the same birthday month. So what does it tell you? I think it says that some amazing people are born in April. Just saying. But if any of my viewers यानी कि वीडियो देखने वाले में से भी किसी का बर्थडे अगर अप्रैल में है, आने वाला है या फिर था, so happy birthday to you also. And since it's Naika's birthday, of course there is a Naika sale on all the Naika websites and apps, that is Naika Beauty, Naika Men's, Naika Fashion. And whenever there is a Naika sale, your girl goes on a shopping spree because I only shop during Naika sale. So of course this is a Naika haul video and I'm very excited because you guys love my Naika haul videos. I like to shoot Naika haul videos, so it's one of our favorite videos, you know. So if you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, please click on that like button at the end and don't forget to share this video with your besties. But I have to share one honest opinion with you guys, and this is why I love YouTube long form videos, because हम हमारे opinions share कर पाते हैं और उन्हें justify भी कर पाते हैं जब इतना time मिलता है हमें. So the truth is that I didn't like this sale. I didn't like this sale. I didn't like this sale as much as I like their other sale. और मेरे लिए सेल थोड़ा सा ऐसा था, और क्यों उसका रीजन मैं दूंगी इस पूरे वीडियो में. सो मेक श्योर यू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड टू फाइंड आउट दैट इफ दिस सेल इज रियली वर्थ इट और नॉट, एंड इफ यू शुड बाय एंड व्हाट टू बाय, व्हाट नॉट टू बाय, everything. So as always, I have a few of my favorite products restocked and a lot of new products for which I'm very excited. So of course, you know that any of the product that you like, the links will be in the description box below. You can easily click on the link and add the product to your cart. A little glimpse of the products for you guys. Ta-da! So here's all of the products. As you can see, we have always one product has to fall. Now let's get started. So first up we have the Sunface Deep Purifying Nose Strip. It's a quick, easy and effective way to unclog pores, lift away unwanted blackheads, removes dirt and oil and leaves your skin clear and smooth. This box contains 6 strips and the MRP is 169 rupees. So I've already made a video trying the nose strip for the first time. You can find the video on my channel and the link in the description box below. If you have blackheads, whiteheads and the clogged pores on your nose which are visible, then this guy right here is an instant solution to that thing. It's very easy to use. Again, the complete review or how to use this product, everything is included in that video. If you are interested, you can watch later. I really like how affordable and effective this product is. So yes, I do occasionally use nose strips. I would say that I'm not very proud of it, but I do it. The next product is, of course, जैसे कि मैंने अपने last video में भी बोला था that if there is a sale, I am buying a Maybelline product. So I have with me this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. 16 hours oil control, SPF 22, and I have this in the shade 220. Actually used this foundation for doing my sister's makeup and she absolutely loved it. So this one right here is for her. Coverage is good, it's lightweight, it gives matte finish. So I think it's a good foundation for summers also. और मैं क्या ही बोलूँ Maybelline के foundation के बारे में, और मैंने enough बोला है इस बारे में अपने channel पे. And you guys know that I'm their one of the biggest fan. So yes, I love their foundation, I love their products. And yes, it's a very affordable, nice, travel friendly foundation. So if you are looking for a good foundation, you should definitely purchase this one. So अब तुम लोग मुझे बोलोगे कि सागरिका मेबलिन इतने टाइप के फाउंडेशंस इंट्रोड्यूस करता है और तुम इतने सालों से एक ही टाइप का फाउंडेशन क्यों यूज कर रहे हो. तो ऐसा मैंने भी सोचा, तो इसलिए मैंने परचेज किया है मेबलिन का ये न्यू फाउंडेशन. I don't think it's a foundation. It says that it's a fresh tint. So this is Maybelline Fit Me Fresh Tint. Contains SPF 50 and vitamin C, and I have this in the shade 05. First of all, it contains SPF 50, which is very impressive. That means you can wear this foundation on its own and it will also act as a protection from sun. So it looks like a really nice skin tint. I think ये Maybelline ने काफी टाइम पहले लॉन्च किया था. अभी तो उन्होंने एक और नया फाउंडेशन लॉन्च कर लिया है, ल्यूमी मैट फाउंडेशन, दैट lilac bottle ढक्कन वाला one. But yes, I'm excited to try this product because we really want a lightweight products and the lightweight foundation, especially for summers. So yes, I'm going to come back with a review of this product. उसके पहले सब्सक्राइब कर लो और बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कर लो ताकि मैं जब वो रिव्यू वीडियो अपलोड करूँ तो आप लोग वो वीडियो मिस ना करो. जल्दी से अभी कर लो. पानी पीते रहो गाइस, डिहाइड्रेशन हो गया. पानी पीते रहिए देवी और सज्जनों. So next up we have another favorite product restock. This is a Nivea sunscreen. This is a Nivea Sun Protect and Moisture sunscreen which contains SPF 50 plus and PA+++. Also has UVA and UVB protection, vitamin E and moisture, and water resistant. Sorry, very water resistant. I mean not just water resistant, this is very water resistant. It's one of my favorite sunscreen to use. And I recently saw on Nykaa that Nivea has become #1 sun care brand in India. Rightly so, because they have such amazing sunscreens in the market. And honestly, I'll admit that this sunscreen is a little greasy. So I didn't use it on my face, I actually use it as a body sunscreen. And I really enjoy using this sunscreen on my body. It's a very lightweight formula and it is very long lasting. It's sweat proof, it is waterproof, and it does give you beautiful glow. When I say it's a favorite product restocked, I mean it, you guys. You can see that this sunscreen is almost finished. So I quickly stocked up on this one because sale is the time that you should stock up on all your favorite sunscreens, your face sunscreen and body sunscreen. So boys and girls, if you don't want tanning, if you don't want pigmentation, if you don't want sunburn, then please start using sunscreen and stock up on all your sunscreen this sale. Because it is summers and these guys are your weapons, so it is just a friendly reminder that please stock up on your sunscreens and start using them regularly. क्योंकि बात sunscreen की चली रही है, I do get a few DMs from you guys on Instagram that which sunscreen I should buy or which sunscreen is good for me. Please suggest a really nice sunscreen. So whenever you look for a good sunscreen to purchase, always go for a sunscreen that is made for your skin type. So for both men and women, if you have a oily skin, then always go for sunscreen which is mattifying or gel sunscreens. And if you have a dry skin, you can go for a really nice creamy moisturizing thick sunscreen. And I have a dry skin and I do have one such amazing sunscreen right here which I really love. So this is Dr. Sheth's Ceramide and Vitamin C sunscreen, SPF 50 plus, PA+++. So of course this is my favorite product restocked. I had a chotu one in this one and now I got a bigger one because it's summers and sunscreens are very important. So if you have a dry skin like me, then there are high chances that you will love this sunscreen. My sister loves this sunscreen, my mom loves this sunscreen, I love this sunscreen. It's one of the best budget-friendly sunscreen out there. And of course, I've recommended this sunscreen in my previous videos also. It's a very nice sunscreen, very moisturizing, very lightweight, and gives you this beautiful glow, especially if you have dry skin. So yeah, it's an amazing sunscreen. You should definitely try this one. But one problem is, on the product it is written that it is suitable for all skin types. But if you have an oily skin, please do not use this product. Because let me show you the texture of the sunscreen. खत्म हो गया ये sunscreen यार. As you can see, it has a very nice creamy kind of texture and it gives this beautiful glow to the skin. But if you have oily skin, then this sunscreen is going to be very heavy and oily on your face. So do not go for this sunscreen. But if you have oily skin, मैं आंख बंद करके आप लोगों को Requel का sunscreen suggest करूंगी. One of the best sunscreen that I've used. It's a beautiful mattifying sunscreen. Comes in 2 variants. मैं उसका भी link डाल दूंगी description में. One of the best, especially for all the men who struggle with oily skin and for women who hate greasy sunscreens. Then Requel one is definitely for you. अब देखो इतनी सच्चाई से आपको बातें कोई नहीं बताएगा. मैं बता रही हूँ. I'm a razor person. I always shave. I use razor for my body. I use razor for my face. So of course I had to try this. This is a Gillette Venus Comfort Slide Snap Razor. First of all, it looks so cute. And when I tell you that I use razor all the time, this is what I mean. This is a very old razor of, again, Gillette Venus only. And I've been using this for such a long time. And बेचारे की हालत अब थोड़ी खराब हो गई है. So I decided that I had to buy a new razor. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one. Let's quickly open this box and see. How is it open? Acha. Hey. Oh, you get a little this also. A few stickers. How cute. And so you get, this is how it looks. You get a blade right here. So you get this cute box right here, and inside that the body of the razor. If you also like to shave and you want a really nice travel friendly cute kind of razor, then this one is for you. So I love shaving, and another 2 products that I have are related to that. So next up we have another new product. It's a Dove shower mousse which comes with rose oil, gives 24-hour softness, shower and shave. I've seen a lot of good reviews of this product and I've never tried a shower mousse, so I'm very excited to try this one. It has a beautiful mild fragrance. So yeah, the next time I shave, I'm definitely going to try this product. If you want a review of this product or any of the product that I have shown or will be showing, make sure you comment down below and let me know and I'll make a video on that. Another product that was highly recommended over the internet by the girlies is this Dove body scrub. This is a Dove body scrub in the variant pomegranate seeds and shea butter. Again, I've seen so many videos where people have been recommending this product again and again. And let's quickly open this and smell this one because people say that it smells heavenly. So yeah. This is so good. This is so good. This is so good, you guys. I literally can't stop taking a whiff of this product. It smells heavenly, you guys, and it seems very creamy. Camera, come on, please focus. So yeah, it seems very creamy. It smells heavenly. So overall, I think it will be a good body scrub to try. I have not tried this product, so I shouldn't recommend it. But if I have to recommend a product without trying, I would recommend you this product. Like, I think it's amazing. If you are here on my channel from a really long time, you know how much I love Swiss Beauty Cosmetics and their products. This is Swiss Beauty Cosmetics Round the Clock Makeup Setting Spray enriched with hyaluronic acid. This retails only for 329 rupees and I have tried a lot of affordable setting sprays, but unfortunately they are always a disappointment and don't work at all. So currently I'm using this NYX setting spray, but it retails for 900 rupees, I think. So actually I saw a blogger using this product in a reel, and after she sprayed it over her eyeshadow swatches on the hand, the eyeshadows did not move at all. Very excited to try this product because if it works, then you will have an affordable setting spray, so which is amazing. There's always so much joy in unboxing a new product. Ooh, I love the color. Such a pretty lilac color, you know. So yeah, I'm excited to try this product and will definitely come back with a review. Who doesn't want to smell amazing all the time? So next I have this Engage perfume. This is Engage Women Perfume Spray in the variant W3. My mom actually liked this perfume and she asked me to order this one for her. So it has a beautiful mild floral fragrance and not like it's a perfect balance between being not too strong but not too mild, and wow, it has a lovely fragrance. if you remember, I used to recommend Engage के वो pocket perfumes. If you are my old subscriber and you have been following me from really long time, so I love those pocket perfumes. Let me know the name of your favorite perfume in the comment section, or any perfume that you would like me to try. We all want strong, shiny, healthy looking hair, but हर किसी की hair growth ना same नहीं होती. I mean, कुछ लोगों की hair growth काफी जल्दी हो जाती है and you are surprised, but कुछ लोगों की hair growth काफी slow होती है. I am one of those people जिसकी hair growth बहुत ज़्यादा fast नहीं है. If you look closely, I do have some baby hair as you can see, but my hair growth is not as quick as compared to the other people. So while scrolling through YouTube shorts, I stumbled upon this video by Prakriti Singh, one of the amazing bloggers. I really like her videos. So she recommended this product which helped her hair growth. So I'm talking about this Minimalist Hair Serum. So this is the Minimalist Hair Growth Actives 18% Hair Serum. It reduces hair fall, boosts growth, and it is suitable for all hair types. So when I searched this product on Nykaa, I saw a lot of good reviews about this product where people are saying that it does help with hair growth and it reduces hair fall. Visible results आपको देखने मिलेंगे 1 महीने और 2 महीने में, यानी कि 1 महीने अगर आप यूज कर रहे हो इसे लगातार तो आपके हेयर फॉल कम होंगे, एंड 2 महीने अगर आप लगातार यूज कर रहे हो तो न्यू ग्रोथ, हेयर ग्रोथ आपको देखने मिलेगी. Why is it special? Because it contains 5 proven ingredients. It contains 5% Capixyl, 3% Rendicyl, 3% Procapil, 3% and again 4% Bicapil. इसमें से कोई ingredient मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या होता है. But again, it says that it's proven to give results, so I'm excited to try this product. Obviously, ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स को काम करने में टाइम जाता ही है. यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रक्शंस है कि आपको रात को इसे यूज करना है, यानी कि शाम को, या फिर यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रक्शंस है कि आपको पीएम में इसे यूज करना है अपने स्कैल्प पे, हेयर पे नहीं, अपने स्कैल्प पे यूज करना है इसे आपको. And you have to apply the product overnight. I'm excited to try this product and to see the visible results. Of course, it will take time and that's okay. But I will definitely come back with a review and hopefully this one works. So next up I have a product from one of the OG makeup brands. So this is Miss Claire Eyebrow Pencil. This is a Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil in the variant black. And I remember the days when everybody used to be obsessed with Miss Claire products. And I used to see so many Indian bloggers recommending Miss Claire lipsticks and their blushes, their eyeshadows, and this is again one of the amazing Miss Claire products. I remember this was my first eyebrow pencil. It retails for 125 rupees and you get a spoolie and a product. I mean, what else you want? I have this in the shade black. It comes in 4 different shades. So if you're looking for a good affordable eyebrow pencil, so yeah, this one is for you, and it is also waterproof. If you know me, you know that I'm obsessed with finding good affordable products and bringing out those products for you and giving the reviews. And I'm always trying affordable brands and picking the gems from those brands. So I have quite a few affordable products with me right now that I'm excited to try. So I have with me this Inside Cosmetics HD Concealer. I have this in the shade 03 Honey. This concealer is waterproof, it is crease resistant, it is long lasting, and it is oil control. I have used this concealer before and you get a really good amount of the product, and this concealer doesn't cake at all. It is very lightweight and gives this beautiful natural coverage. अगर आप एक सस्ता अच्छा कंसीलर ढूंढ रहे हो जो कवरेज भी दे, जो लाइट वेट भी हो, स्पेशली फॉर समर्स, then this product right here is for you. You should definitely give it a try. It retails for 200 rupees, I think 215, but you always get this one on discount for 170 and 180 rupees, or 180 rupees में यार, और आपको क्या चाहिए कंसीलर में. The another product that I have is also by Inside Cosmetics. This is their Flawless Finish Setting Powder. It comes in 6 shades. I have this in the shade LNY15. पहले तो मुझे नहीं समझा कि ये क्या शेड है LNY. बाद में यहाँ पे आपको पीछे उन्होंने डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है पूरा that LNP is for light complexion peach undertone, LNY is for light complexion yellow undertone. Then you have a few medium shades. Now this is something interesting that उन्होंने अच्छे से explain भी किया है shades को, और undertones भी consider किए हैं. Usually जब आप products खरीदते हो, especially foundations या फिर setting powder या फिर concealer, तो product का undertone आपको नहीं पता चलता. but in this way, of course, you can understand the undertone of the setting powder. This is how the product looks like from the outside, and it looks very sleek and chic. And let me quickly. Nice. So when you open the product, you get a mirror like this, and here you get the compact powder, the setting powder, and the puff to use the powder, and you get this protective film, of course. Honestly, I like the packaging of this product. This one retails for 225 rupees, but I got it for 200, I think. And I really like the packaging, and I love when there is a mirror with a powder, because it is very easy to apply and use the product when you have a mirror like this. And काफी सारी तारीफ लिखी है यहाँ इस प्रोडक्ट की, that it blurs and smooth out imperfection, absorbs oil, sets your makeup, even look, natural glow, no petroleum, no parabens, cruelty free and vegan. Wow, इतना सब कुछ इतने कम प्राइस रेंज में. So yeah, that is impressive. So yes, if you're looking for a good budget-friendly setting powder, then this one is for you. Also, I have another product from Inside Cosmetics. This is their lipstick. It is their non-transfer lip color, which is waterproof, smudge-proof, long wear, matte texture, and true color. I have this in the shade 25 Molten Pink and stays up to 12 hours. And all of this only for 115 rupees. Very impressive. So let me quickly show you guys the shade of the lipstick. Very cute pink lipstick. And let me quickly swatch this product, and ooh, it's a beautiful pink shade. So 100 rupees में आपको इतना अच्छा long lasting lipstick मिल रहा है. मतलब क्या कर रहे हो, खरीद लो, मस्त है, अच्छा है. Mars Cosmetics is yet another brand that gives this amazing good quality products at unbelievable affordable prices. I love their highlighter palette. It's one of my favorite and I use it all the time. And today I have with me their Dance of Joy eyeshadow palette. It's a 12 color eyeshadow palette with a mix of shimmers, mattes, glitters. I have this in the variant 02 and it looks like a beautiful neutral palette. Neutral eyeshadow palettes make me very happy. So yeah, कहाँ से खुल रहा है यार ये? Wow, I'm unable to open this product right now. Oh god. Such a beautiful palette, you guys. Look at all those neutral shades. I'm very tempted to swatch these eyeshadows, so let's try this. Ooh. See how beautiful this one is? And there is this shimmer shade. I mean, all the three shades, like all the three formulas are very pigmented. The first impression is I am very impressed by this eyeshadow palette, but I do have to use this product with brushes and see how it performs. So yeah, I will definitely come back with a review, but it looks so beautiful. It retails only for $2.99, but you get 12 different eyeshadow shades, which is amazing. Like इतने कम price point में इतनी variety मिल रही है आपको. So if you are looking for a good neutral eyeshadow palette, like a budget friendly eyeshadow palette, then this one is for you. It comes in another variant also, shade number 1. This is in the variant 2. You can check out both the palettes on Nykaa. The last product that I have in the affordable category is this Blue Heaven mascara. This is a Blue Heaven 10x volumizing mascara which stays up to 12 hours. Now it is volumizing, it is waterproof, it is no clumping, lightweight, and all of this only for 80 rupees. Did you see that coming? I did not. I mean 80 rupees में यार आपको इतना अच्छा मस्कारा मिल रहा है. I really have to try this product and hopefully it works. The last product finally that I have is this Dot & Key Skincare Barrier Repair Hydrating Gentle Face Wash. Face wash. Robot. Give me a second, okay? Guys, this is not for the video. I swear I made this mistake. मुझे लगा कि ये मैंने उनका मॉइस्चराइजर खरीदा है और ये फेस वॉश निकला. एक्चुअली डॉट एंड की का एक बैरियर रिपेयर और हाइड्रेटिंग सेरेमाइड वाला मॉइस्चराइजर है जो कि काफी फेमस हो रहा है इंटरनेट पे. इतने, अगेन वो भी एक प्रोडक्ट है जो इतने सारे लोगों ने रिकमेंड किया है. सो मेरा मॉइस्चराइजर खत्म हो गया था और मैंने सोचा कि मैं ये डॉट एंड की का मॉइस्चराइजर ट्राई करती हूँ बिकॉज इतने लोग ऑलरेडी रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं इट फॉर ड्राई स्किन. सो आई एडेड दिस प्रोडक्ट थिंकिंग दैट आई हैव एडेड द मॉइस्चराइजर बिकॉज दोनों का पैकेजिंग एकदम सेम है. एंड आई डिडंट रीड, मतलब मैंने गलती से पढ़ा नहीं कि एक्चुअली मैं फेस वॉश ऐड कर रही हूँ मॉइस्चराइजर के बजाय. गाइज आई स्वेयर ये मैंने पहली बार किया है ऐसा. मैंने इतने बार नायका से शॉपिंग की है, मैंने ऐसी गलती कभी नहीं की है, बट पहली बार मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि मैंने कुछ और ही प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर कर दिया गलती से. यार आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है तो प्लीज मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना कि आपने कोई प्रोडक्ट कुछ सोच के ऐड कर लिया हो और जब घर आया हो तो वो कोई और प्रोडक्ट निकला हो. एंड आई स्वेयर मैंने ये प्रोडक्ट नहीं देखा था बिकॉज एनी बॉक्स मैंने आज शूट के पहले नायका का अनबॉक्स किया और सारे प्रोडक्ट्स रखे और मैंने ना लिस्ट भी नहीं देखा था बिकॉज मेरे दिमाग में मैं कॉन्फिडेंट थी कि मैंने मॉइस्चराइजर ऑर्डर किया है बट मैंने गलती से उनका फेस वॉश ऑर्डर कर लिया. बट कोई बात नहीं, ये फेस वॉश हम ट्राई कर लेंगे. सो दिस इज अगेन द डॉट एंड की स्किन केयर बैरियर रिपेयर एंड हाइड्रेटिंग जेंटल फेस वॉश एंड it contains hyaluronic acid, rice water, soap and sulfate free, dermatologically tested. It is for normal dry and sensitive skin. आपको याद होगा कि मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्ट में बोला था कि नायका का ये सेल मुझे थोड़ा सा कम पसंद आया और उसका रीजन ये है कि एक्चुअली ये सेल शुरू हुआ है 15th अप्रैल को. इट्स फ्रॉम 15th अप्रैल टू 21st अप्रैल और इट इज फ्रॉम 15th अप्रैल टू 21st अप्रैल. एंड द प्रॉब्लम इज कि इवन दो इट्स नायका's बर्थडे सेल, तो नायका का खुद का बर्थडे, तो मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था कि काफी अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स होंगे. बट कंपेयर टू देयर अदर सेल्स लाइक द हॉट पिंक सेल और द पिंक फ्राइडे सेल, इस सेल में ना डिस्काउंट्स उतने नहीं थे जितने मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किए थे. एंड सेकंड थिंग, यू ऑलवेज नो कि मैं हमेशा अपने नायका हॉल में आप लोगों को गिफ्ट दिखाती हूँ, मुझे क्या फ्री गिफ्ट मिला, क्या मिनी गिफ्ट मिला, ये सारी चीजें दिखाती हूँ. बट इस हॉल में मुझे कोई भी गिफ्ट नहीं मिला, कोई भी फ्री मिनी गिफ्ट नहीं था. मतलब मैंने इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स ऐड किए कार्ट में और बाद में भी प्रोडक्ट्स में कुछ ऐड करके देख रही थी बट एज सच कोई भी फ्री गिफ्ट या मिनी गिफ्ट इतने नहीं है, डिस्काउंट्स उतना नहीं है. तो मुझे ये सेल उनका ना नायका का काफी ज्यादा फीका लगा. देखो मेरा काम है आप लोगों तक ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियंस देना. और एक और टिप, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा नायका सेल पे शॉपिंग करती हूँ, तो जब भी कोई नायका का सेल आने वाला है ना, अपने आइटम्स कार्ट में ऐड करके रखो और फर्स्ट 2 days में, लाइक लिटरली फर्स्ट 2 days में शॉपिंग कर लो. बिकॉज जैसे जैसे वो दिन जाता है ना, डिस्काउंट्स कम होते जाते हैं और प्रोडक्ट्स के प्राइसेस बढ़ते जाते हैं. ये ऐसा हुआ है अभी. मैंने अभी अपने कार्ट में जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स ऐड किए हैं देखा, उनपे ओरिजिनली उतना डिस्काउंट नहीं है जितना पहले था. सो अगेन ये सारी बातें तुम्हें कोई नहीं बताएगा बट मैं बता रही हूँ बिकॉज मैं चाहती हूँ कि तुम लोग का फायदा हो और जितना हो सके तुम इन सेल्स का, डिस्काउंट्स का फायदा ले पाओ. सो हाँ, मेरे लिए ये सेल तो थोड़ा सा ठीक ठाक था बट फिर भी मुझे अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स थोड़े बहुत तो मिल ही गए. अगेन आप अपने फेवरेट जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स आपको इस पूरे वीडियो में पसंद आए हैं, सारे प्रोडक्ट्स का आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा डिस्क्रिप्शन में. अगेन आप जाके देख सकते हो नायका पे, उन पे अगर अच्छे डिस्काउंट्स है तो डेफिनेटली go for it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure you please click on the like button and also hit the subscribe button अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है. और उसके बाद जो मैं वो बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करना ताकि मैं जब भी कोई न्यू वीडियो अपलोड करूँ तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल जाए और आप ऐसे हेल्पफुल वीडियोस मिस ना करो. So make sure you click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.